Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm one of Bosch's product experts. And this is the Bosch Series 4 dishwasher. It's part of an impressive range of stylish models packed with intelligent features. Series 4 models come with automatic programs that adjust water and temperature based on how dirty the dishes are, ensuring minimal water is wasted. Combined with an energy efficiency rating of B, the Bosch Series 4 dishwasher is the perfect choice. And advanced options like Speed Perfect Plus can wash and dry a full load of dishes quickly and with great results by reducing the cycle time by up to 50%. Nobody likes being distracted by noise. The Silence Plus 42 decibel dishwasher is the answer. Storage-wise, this dishwasher can hold up to 13 place settings. Wave goodbye to that tea towel, because with the extra dry option, your dishes will be ready to put back in the cupboard at the end of a wash. It uses higher temperatures during the final rinse cycle and a longer drying phase to ensure that even those difficult to dry loads are ready to use again. And flexible features like the Rackmatic basket. This lets you adjust the height of the top basket even when it's fully loaded, so you can make space for taller baking trays below and long-stem wine glasses above. The basket can be easily placed in the lower basket and provides additional storage space for cutlery. This particular dishwasher not only provides excellent cleaning results, but it's also a great listener. You can pair it with most smart devices on your Home Connect app on your device, so when you're busy and you need to start a wash, you can simply tell it what to do. If that wasn't enough, this model's 5-year warranty also gives you complete peace of mind. The Bosch Series 4 dishwasher is the perfect choice if you're looking for something stylish with clever technology to benefit your lifestyle.